YouTube? It's your boy BJ, man. I'm back with another video, man. For my new people, welcome to the channel. For my old people, welcome back to the channel. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe button. Make sure y'all share it, man. Today, we gotta put some new lights in this thing, man. I ain't feeling these lights right here no more, man. They all, this one's still a little clear, but my fog lights and shit, I ain't really feeling that. So we're gonna get some new lights. We already got one of the lights out right here. We're gonna put the new fog lights in. We got the new headlights in the back here. Don't pay attention to the truck dirty. I'm gonna wash it. It's been raining, it's rain, but I'm gonna still wash it. We got the new headlights back here. If I can get these motherfuckers out. Y'all see him, man. Y'all see him, man. Crystal clear, man. Crystal clear, man. We going crystal clear. We doing everything new on this truck, man. We going all the way around. We gonna make sure everything go back. But I got my boy with me, man. I got my boy with me, man. Hold on, let me get this thing flipped out. Boy with me, man. I got my boy. Y'all go make sure y'all go check his channel out. B's on 32s, man. He got a badass truck, badass fender truck. Y'all make sure y'all go check it out. 32-inch forges. I'm gonna drop his link right here, and I'm gonna also put it in the description, man. There go right there, man.
Gang.
There go my boy.
Man. What's up, man? Y'all go like, comment, and subscribe to me, man. I'm gonna drop some new content just for y'all. New content on the way.
Yeah, y'all heard it, man. I'm gonna make sure I get more videos with my boy. Make sure we get some more videos together, man. I'm finna, like I tell you, I'm gonna start going to truck meets, car meets, all that. I'm gonna start doing everything. But we're gonna get right on to it, man, because it said it's supposed to rain at 8 o'clock, but y'all see the sky, man.
We ain't worried about no rain, man.
Y'all see the sky, man. It don't look like it's gonna rain.
We gonna get it done.
It don't look like it's gonna rain, but we finna get it rolling, man. I'm gonna sit y'all down. I'm gonna start on these headlights, bro, because the headlights are gonna be the easiest one. I'm gonna get the easy stuff first. After I get the headlights in, then I'm gonna tackle these fog lights, man. Y'all can see right here, it's already falling out and shit. But this one here, he's still in. This light right here, it ain't seating in there flat like this one over here is right here. And you can see this one sitting in flat. But I'm finna get y'all started, man. I'm gonna sit y'all up. I'm gonna try to sit y'all out so y'all can see me putting them in. But y'all gonna have to, we gonna get them together, man. I'm finna sit y'all out, man. Hold on. With the old in with the new, baby. Yeah, so as y'all see it, man, I got the lights out. Got both lights out. Didn't take me no time, man. It was real quick, real easy. Got both lights out. Got, you know what I'm saying, got the plugs right here. I'm going back with some LEDs. I had the HID lights in there, but that's too much extra shit. Too many wires and all that. I ain't with all that. I like my stuff clean, simple. So I'm gonna put the new lights in. I'm gonna change these too. I think the new lights came with new bulbs and stuff already in them too. So I'm gonna change them. This side was already, I got this side off. I couldn't get that side out, but I'm finna put the new lights in. Pick y'all back up when I get them in there.
later that night.
Alright, YouTube, I'm back, man. It done got windy out here. It done got windy. I did get the lights installed, but sorry if y'all can't hear me, man. I know that wind kind of strong, but I did get the headlights installed. I could not get the fog lights installed. I ain't have all my proper tools to get the fog lights installed, but I did get the headlights installed. I'm gonna see, y'all probably can see them a little bit, but they got dark. We ran into a couple of little problems, but there they go. They in there. The fog lights, I didn't get them done. I ran into a problem trying to get, for some reason they not coming on. I checked all my fuses. I checked my fuses and all that, but I still can't get my fog lights in. But I'm gonna cut them on. I'm gonna let y'all see what they looking like. And also, I still gotta take them back because I gotta take them back. They not the cut. They both not the same color. They different colors. Oh, that light helped me out a whole lot. I can see a little bit better with the light, but my fog, that color, can't really tell in the video. Let me see. You can't really tell, but this one over here, this one a little pink. Got a little bit more blue. This one on this side got more white. I want the more white, but we're gonna get them done. Let this car get out of the way. But I did get my lights installed, everything in, everything together. I gotta get this stuff out the back of the truck too. Somebody been installed my lights. Somebody been installed all my lights and stuff. But yeah, we got the headlights installed. I'm taking them back tomorrow. I'm gonna drive my truck up there. I'm gonna just take them back. We gotta I can't be riding with two different color lights. Everything got to be the same color. So I'm gonna get my headlights, get the LED lights for the headlight. I'm gonna get them put on the right way. Not only am I gonna get them put on the right way, I'm gonna also see they not nowhere near as bright as my other lights here, my HID lights was. So I might have to go back to HID lights. I'm gonna have them to put them in. If that is what the problem is, if it's them not being the same color, I'm gonna have them put my lights in. Also, I'm gonna get my fog lights looked at, see if they can figure out why my fog lights ain't coming on. Hopefully they can get my fog lights on the print, because I really need my fog lights on. But yeah, man, until tomorrow, I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow when I go and get this done. I may do 2 separate videos. I might just make it one whole video, depending on how long it is, how long it take. But until next time, man, I catch y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. It's not only gonna be about my truck. I'm gonna also do what I can to make it more vlogs and stuff like that. But right now, I gotta get my truck where I need it to be at. So till next time, man, catch y'all. Peace.